Hello everyone, and once again welcome to Kayla's meshmixer tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to get an object perfectly ready for print. So today I'm using my tentacle chair that I made myself, and I've purposely put in a few flaws just to allow everyone to see how to get things fixed. So the first thing you're going to do is make sure that the object is selected in the object browser. Then when you think it's all ready to go, you're going to go to analysis. The first one to do is always analysis, and click the inspector key. So when you see these little arrows, these things are things that must be repaired or it will not print properly. A lot of the times it will actually delete sections. So if it's a skull head, for example, it will remove the teeth or stuff like that. Just click auto repair all and see what it does. It'll recompute the defects, fix the defects, get rid of the defects. If everything is still as you saw it when you made it, which mine is, you can just click done. What I always do is double click it, so I click the inspector again, check it one more time, and it's all fine and ready to go. So then you can just do that, save STL. Now if you want to check the size and make sure the print's a little bit bigger, what you're going to do is click on the printer button. I know, weird, we're going to click the printer button. So the printer button is going to open up a whole new window here, and as you can see, it brings up the printer. So this is how big my print is actually going to come up. So from here, it will tell you that the model has been repaired. You can even add supports by clicking the button. It will support every piece that needs a support. It takes too long for it to load up, so I'm not going to waste your time with that. It would just build a support, for example, from the tentacle down here. That'd be easier to remove. Otherwise, the printer will automatically print supports. This is only if you want to add some extras just in case. Another cool you can even transform from here and actually put in the dimensions you exactly want down to the dot. And even shows you the printer bed, so you can make sure nothing is going to print above that printer line. As you can see, mine just reaches the top of the printer line. And that makes it perfectly fine. Once you're done editing, so if you move it up, move it down, or change the size a little bit, right? You can click move to platform and it'll make sure it perfectly sits on the platform, which is a great thing to do, because if it prints on the platform, it won't print bottom supports. That will lock usually onto the bottom and make it very hard to pull off. You can also change the units, so it'll measure in centimeters, inches, or millimeters. I always keep it to millimeters because that's how the printers work. So once you're done, once you're happy with it, once everything's repaired, all you have to do is either click send to printer if you have a printer attached, or you can go to the export button and export it as another file format. I recommend doing both features. I know you can do one or the other, but doing both just ensures a safer print. If you are unhappy with the way this is going and you want to modify it some more, make sure you go back and click the modify button. But it will tell you that the changes that you've made here will be lost, so make sure that you really didn't like what you did here before you move on to the next piece. Otherwise, click export, STL, type in your name, and you are ready to go. I know this was a short one, but this is Alaska Pro signing off.